Welcome back to the Stratosphere, and we're still wrapping. Laying down on the job. You've got to be patient to do this, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yes, this is roughly where we left off. We're making some progress though. And that's the back. All done. So this is cutting tape.
Yeah.
So you may remember that Eric had done this section already, this section here, and now he's cut it in and you can barely see the seam. Meantime, the little bit that I did, yes, that sticker there, I'm not so sure about. It looks all right like that, but I don't know. Anyway, the playfit of the day, which is an amazing song by The Cure, is to finish off everything on this side. So that bottom section there, which you'll notice he's got rid of all that nasty black stuff that I couldn't be bothered to do. Maybe even this panel here. So this left-hand front fender wing. Yeah, so he's going to get all that done, and then I'm going to take the car out gently and slowly because it's still clunking, and reverse it back in so you can do the other side and finish the job tomorrow. Yay! He does make a mess. See, from that angle it just looks a bit pants. FYI, Eric uses alcohol to clean off the nasty bits. Seems a terrible waste to me. Eric's a bit of a dab hand with a knife. He's probably one of the few guys that can bring a knife to a gunfight and still win. He's working through the night to finish this. So what we did here on the front was actually leave the Bertone sticker on and skin over it, as it were. And I rather like it, it's rather subtle. I wish I'd done that with the other ones. These ones, because as you know, I'm not entirely happy with this. Did I say that already? Those have gone back on. I rather like them. What's left to do? Scoop. Lights, front end, complicated, and grill, and we'll show you how we did that because we missed it last time, right? He's got 3 panels to go. I think he's forgotten about that bit. He needs to clean up my rear end. While I got all this clobber off, I just thought I'd show you the headlamp mechanisms, modified obviously from the Fiat X19, so all that's custom. Yeah, they're lifted at the moment, raised, ready to be wrapped. So yeah, we had to take this panel out, these panels there, so we could get to the lights, drop them out the front so we can do the front. It's a messy business. Monkey's checking out the belts. And he's in there again. You look, we could have gone for two-tone. How 70s would that be? So what I noticed was when we shut the clamshell at the rear, this seam here still showed through as the blue. So I asked Eric to wrap that too, but he's gone above and beyond. He's gone round all these little rubber pieces and wrapped the whole damn thing. Same on the door shut, and he's done the whole lot again and wrapped the whole sill. He's done the whole front end, so now I've got to put those damn lights back in. Wish me luck. And that, my friends, is a wrap. Yes, it's finished. I hope you enjoyed the process as much as I did. Watching Eric was quite fascinating. How he moulds, heats and gets it in all the little crevices. Quite incredible work, and incredible value as well. Thoroughly recommend Eric Duart wrap. So thanks as always for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe down here somewhere, and encourage others to watch my lunacy.